Welcome to my channel. To make this unique napkin holder, I used a red clay. This holder is practical and beautiful with some natural vibes. Let me know if you like it and subscribe for more. Enjoy!
I made a list of promises to you. I just had to write them down and say them out loud. I feel so lucky that God gave me you. You lift up everyone around. I can't believe what I found. But knowing, will you take my hand? Just smile and say, catch me if you can. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this, our love so true.